October 2010, my motorcycle charging system went bad, but it was only due to a burned out connecting plug between the stator and the regulator rectifier. I decided to tackle the job myself. The stator bottom of the picture was fine, it was just the plug on the end which was burned out. Here the stator has been removed. The bike sat throughout the winter because I didn't intend to ride it. As March approached, I ordered the parts from Bike Bandit and was surprised to have them the next day. 1-day delivery, coast to coast.